Good afternoon. So I've sent you my referral link. Now we're going to open it, and you need to fill in your information so that you can first of all complete your free registration. Here you enter your first name, last name, then your email address, confirm your password, choose your country, enter your phone number, indicate your gender, and click join. After that, a page will open right away showing the different package options. If you want to register for free first and then just take a look at how everything works, you simply click the close button here, the little cross, and then you'll be taken to a menu like this. Next, you'll have the opportunity to receive a gift, but first you need to verify your email. I'm going to quickly open my email now and confirm it. Right after that, you'll be taken to an introduction video. Once you've confirmed your email, you can watch it, but we're not going to watch it together right now. So that part is verified, great. Now let's continue. Let's refresh the page. After you've looked through everything and decide that you want to upgrade, meaning move on to a membership or partnership, you'll need to click here to get your reward points. That will give you a $50 gift. You click here on Claim Now, and then you'll need to complete the verification. You click Start Verification, and here you'll need to fill in your personal information. I'm not going to fill it in right now, but for you, it should be very easy. Everything is intuitive, and you can go through the verification step by step without any difficulty. You'll need either your driver's license or your passport, and your name must be written there in Latin letters. Once you complete this verification, you'll receive your $50 gift. Next, let's take a look at what's available. To do that, we click on the left side on Dashboard, and here, for example, you can see in cruises, in stays, and in tours.